And when did BTS debut? Camp out with BTS, but only for one day.
और सिबलिंग तो क्यों ही बनेंगे कोई बीटीएस वालों का ये तो
So what is the full form of BTS? Let we protect you from the bullies, or let RM protect you from the bullies. And who is your bias?
We.
We have Jin's confidence, but people dislike you. Be classmate with Taekook, but they always annoy you. Be Jin's best friend, or be J-Hope's sibling.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Rashmi Gusai, and if you are new to this channel, तो जल्दी से जाके मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. So in this video, I am going to ask boy armies questions regarding BTS and played Would You Rather game with girl armies. So let's get started.
Suryansh.
Rishant.
So do you know BTS?
Yes, we know.
Are you in army?
Yes.
yes.
Are you in army?
Not an army, but I like BTS. Yes.
और कौन कौन से कोरियन ग्रुप पता है आपको?
EXO, Stray Kids, NiFun, GOT7,
TXT.
बहुत सारे TXT.
मतलब मैं आपसे 2 क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, आपने उसमें से एक ऑप्शन चूज करना है, ठीक है? सो बी जिन्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड और बी जे होप सिबलिंग.
Jin's best friend.
ओके, एनी रीजन?
I don't want to be sibling of
बीटीएस.
yeah.
ठीक है.
जिनकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड क्योंकि वो काफ़ी फन नेचर है और मतलब और सिबलिंग तो क्यों ही बनेंगे कोई बीटीएस वालों का ये तो
यार
क्वेश्चन.
आप
मैं सिबलिंग,
सिबलिंग क्यों?
क्योंकि थोड़ी जीन्स तो मुझ में भी आएंगी ना क्यूट होने के.
ठीक है, तो मैं आपको बीटीएस के रिगार्डिंग क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी. तो आर यू इन आर्मी?
Yes, I'm an army.
मैं आर्मी.
नहीं हो. ठीक है, तो मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, आपने आंसर करने हैं. सो हु इज द लीडर ऑफ बीटीएस?
RM.
राइट. एंड व्हेन डिड बीटीएस डेब्यूट?
2013.
राइट. हु इज योर बायस?
We.
वी. एनी पर्टिकुलर रीजन?
Cause he's most handsome than others. I think so.
I have some question regarding BTS, so you have to answer it, okay? So what is the full form of BTS?
Bangtan Sonyeondan.
Right. So,
Hello.
what's your name?
Parul.
Parul. So do you know BTS?
Yes.
Are you in army?
Yeah.
Who is your bias?
We.
We.
Yeah.
So I will give you 2 options. You have to choose one, okay? Go on a vacation with your bias for 3 days, and or camp out with BTS but only one day.
I'm gonna choose my bias 3-day vacation.
Okay.
Camp out with BTS.
Okay. Only for one day.
Yeah.
Not with your bias for 3 days.
BTS में सारे members हैं ना.
हाँ, ठीक है. And what is the name of the debut song?
I don't know. Dream.
No More Dreams.
No more dreams. No more
Okay.
dreams.
And who is left-handed?
We.
We. And who likes banana shake?
Jungkook.
Right. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
What's your name?
Sanjeet.
Are you in army?
Yes, I'm army.
Who is your bias?
Bias, we.
We. Any reason?
Any reason? I just connect to him a lot, like personality wise.
Okay. Who is the youngest member of BTS?
Jungkook.
Right. And who is left-handed?
Left-handed. Suga.
We.
We.
Let we protect you from the bullies, or let RM protect you from the bullies.
RM.
RM. Any reason?
He's more intellectual kind of person.
Would you rather work out at the gym with Jungkook, or go to museum with RM?
Museum.
With RM.
Yeah.
Okay. Any reason?
Because I love craft work.
Would you rather fall asleep with Suga on his room, but he kicked you from the bed? And the second one option is fall asleep with Jungkook on your room, but you accidentally kicked him from the bed.
Fall asleep with Jungkook.
Jungkook kick him.
Yes.
So you will kick him.
No, not like kick him, but it's really a fun type thing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Which is your favorite BTS song?
Boy with love.
Boy with Love. And who is your bias?
We.
We. Any particular reason?
No, I just like him.
किस BTS मेंबर के हाथ सबसे छोटे हैं?
Jimin.
हाँ, right. Be classmate with Taekook, but they always annoy you. And second one is be classmate with Yumin, but they always helping you.
First.
First one.
Second one.
ठीक है. तो first one क्यों choose करा आपने?
क्योंकि वो मतलब दोस्त तो वो भी अच्छे होंगे सेकंड वाले, बट फर्स्ट वो ऐसे मुझे शैतान वाले दोस्त होंगे ना, तो उनको तंग करने में और मज़ा आएगा. तो
ठीक है, बट वो आपको तंग करेंगे.
तो मैं भी कर दूंगी.
ठीक है. और आपने क्यों किया चूज उन्हें?
क्योंकि मुझे हेल्पफुल नेचर वाले ज़्यादा पसंद है.
ठीक है. एंड द सेकंड वन इज हैव जिन्स कॉन्फिडेंस बट पीपल डिसलाइक यू. Okay, or have RM's IQ, but you always break something.
I'll go with RM. RM's IQ.
RM's IQ.
Okay.
फर्स्ट वाला
First वाला क्यों? Any reason?
ये फर्क नहीं पड़ता कोई हेट करता है या
Okay. Let V protect you from the bullies, or let RM protect you from the bullies.
RM.
RM, any
Yes.
reason?
Because he have a like a very, he will not fight or something, but he will be very calm and he will बहुत प्यार से मतलब समझाएंगे और करेंगे और मतलब उसका opinion बहुत अच्छा होता है.
Let V protect you from the bullies, or let RM protect you from the bullies.
V. Because he's my bias.
Go to club every Saturday night with Jimin, or go to the internet cafe every weekend with V.
Second one,
Okay.
because V is my bias.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Go to club every Saturday night with Jimin, or go to the internet cafe every weekend with V.
Internet cafe.
With V.
Yeah.
Okay. Be Jin's private manager, or be Jungkook private English tutor.
Jungkook's private English tutor.
Any reason?
Because I don't know, just
Or would you rather fall asleep with Suga on his bed, on his room, but he kicked you from the bed? ठीक है. Second one is fall asleep with Jungkook on your room, but you accidentally kicked him from the bed.
first situation.
First situation.
नहीं कोई भी नहीं.
कोई भी नहीं. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Classmate with Taekook, but they always annoy you. Second one is classmates with Yumin, but they always helping you.
The first one.
First one, they always annoy you.
Because they are funny, na?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, and the last one is be Jin's best friend or be J-Hope's sibling.
Jin's best friend.
Any reason?
He's funny.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Would you rather be Jin's best friend or J-Hope's sibling?
Jin's best friend.
Any reason?
Cause I like.
Would you rather be classmate with Taekook, but they always annoy you? And the second one is be classmate with Yumin, but they always helping you.
Yunmin.
Yumin?
Yes. I
Okay.
just want to interact with them.
Go on a vacation with your bias for 3 days, or camp out with BTS for 1 day.
Second.
Second, बाईस के साथ ही जाना चाहोगे अपने?
उसमें सब होंगे.
ओके, सेकंड वाले में सब होंगे. बी जिन्स बॉयफ्रेंड और बी J-Hope sibling.
Be Jin's boyfriend. It will be so much fun.
Sorry,
Best
be
friend.
Jin's best
Jin's
friend.
best friend for sure.
Who is your bias?
V.
And yours?
Jungkook.
Jungkook. Any particular reason आपको V क्यों अच्छा लगता है?
जैसे वो बच्चों वाली हरकतें करता है और कभी कभी मैच्योर हो जाता है. सब कुछ यार क्यों नहीं पसंद आएगा ये बताओ.
और आपको?
I find him really cute.
Okay.
And वो बहुत अच्छा डांस करता है.
अच्छा. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.